Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to install the Windows. I'm gonna take you step by step, and by the end of this course you'll be able to install Windows using flash disk. To install the Windows process, it looks easy, but sometimes it may become a case if you don't pay attention. So I ask you to pay attention so that you follow this process, you watch the full video. By the end of the course, you'll be successfully installing Windows on your PC or on your laptop. In addition, if you want to install the Windows, you have to make sure that I recommend you to use SanDisk storage USB flash. That one sometimes doesn't have issues with making bootable process. Other flashes may be working, others may disturb or may having bootable issues. So I recommend you to use SanDisk storage. Without wasting out of time, let us jump into it. Now here we are going to start. As you can see, this computer. If you are new, you never install Windows on your PC, you get a flash disk. Like, you don't use this one as I told you. I recommend you to use a SanDisk storage. Any SanDisk USB is the one which is recommendable for installing the Windows. Doesn't disturb anymore. Now, if it's your first time, I'm going to show you with this one, because for me I've created mine already. I'm going to show you with this one. As you are seeing, you go to your computer. There's a lot of software I used to make bootable flash, but we are going to use this one, this Power ISO. You run it as administrator, as you can see here. After opening, you make sure that you're using that registered version. As you can see, you don't use a copy one, because a copy one may not have that function of creating USB, or may not complete the process. You go to tool. After tool, you come here to create bootable USB device, as you can see. Then you select the source, you select the destination. Make sure that if you have hard disk inserted into your computer, you select the correct USB drive. If you select the hard disk, you may lose your data. Please pay attention on this. Then you come to the source image file. You have to make sure that you're using Power ISO image. As you see, if you don't have it, I'll make another video how to download the Power ISO on the website. As you can see, we're going to select this one. I have it already in my computer. After selecting, then you press yes. Sorry for that interruption. You press start. As now you see, make it start. Press OK. Then the process, it will be started now. As you see, from 0 out to 100. After you write complete, then you come to the PC you want to install. Now let us install on this one, because this one I've created my flash already. You switch off. You can switch off normally, or you press the power button until it goes off. Now let us shut down the computer and try to install the window. Put the USB flash, as you can see. Now, after computer is off, now you press it on. If your computer is Dell, you press F12. If it is HP, you press escape button, and later on you press 9. You press F9, as you will see the option. Now this one, I'm going to press power on. Then immediately when the device displays on the screen, you make sure that you press F12. As you see, prepare input menu. Now you see the settings. Then you go this one. You see UEFI partition, USB partition 1. Because this one is the hard drive. This one, you use this one. As you can see, the computer now is booting. The PC now is booting. If you see this logo, that means the computer boot into that USB flash. Now we're going to see the steps and other steps. As you can see here, you have reached here. You press start. Next, you press next. From here, you press install. here you put accept, you check this box, I accept, press next. Then here if you reach here, you come to custom, don't come to upgrade, you come to custom. Then here you select the partition you want to install. Like me, I want to use this one, this 74 GB 74.4 GB, because I have this one, this is system reserve, and I have this one, this is my another partition you want to put the data, and this is another partition also. I choose this one, as you can see here. Then if you choose that one, you have to make sure that you format it before install. Then you press next, as you can see here. During the window, it will install, and it will be automatic. Computer goes off and on automatically. Then you wait until later to bring another settings. Then you make another setting there. You just wait. As you can see here, the computer is faster. My computer is faster, doesn't take a lot of time. I think within a few minutes we're going to complete installation. As you can see. Other computers may spend too much time depending on your machine and your RAM, the version of the machine and the PC you are using. But mine is somewhat faster, you want to see. Now it's about to restart. After restart, it may take 3 times restart. As you can see here now, it's restarting. You may, if you want, you can press this one, reboot it now, restart now. But if you don't care, you leave it. It will restart alone. As you can see now, the computer went off. Let's put it again. Now it will be automatically installing. You don't press anything. You don't need to press anything. You just leave. And you see this one we have run fast before. The bootable now is going, as you can see here. As you can see this bootable, you wait until complete, until it goes to until you count 100. As you can see, you wait until you count 100. Then after that, you put your USB flash. It will be successful. Now it will be bootable device. But I recommend you, as I told you, to use SanDisk storage, because that one supports a lot. As a flash may disturb you, please pay attention. So if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe, comment, like, let me know your idea. You can give advice also if you know more about that. Let us wait this one. Just restart again. Now it is going to power again, as you can see. As I told you, but once you do the first setting, as I told you, you wait until it will come another settings asking to enter your name and personalizing other settings, as you are going to see now. So you don't need to panic. It is somehow faster. It's according to your piece, as I told you. It's according to your computer, the specifications and the version of your computer. Sometimes may be problem to let your computer take a lot of time. As you can see here, it has brought another settings. You see here, let's start with the region. Is there, right? Then you come here, select your country. Like for me, you select your region or your type, your country. For me, I can live in United States, but that's not my video. But you can select any if you want. Here they write the keyboard. I use US standard because it's the one which is better for me. Then here I press skip. After making skip, here is another settings. As you can see here, let's connect to the network. Then I choose this one. I don't have internet. Here there's other settings. As you can see here I press continue with limited setup. As you can see here, you can put your name. As you can see, I'm going to put my name here. Let me put my name here. My name. After put your name, then press next. Here it may ask you the password. If you want, you put the password, or if you don't want, you skip. You just press next, no problem. You can see the setup until later on in the setting you can put later. Accept, you press accept. This one also you press accept. Now the computer, you wait a little bit. After that, that means the computer is ready. Now let us see this one also. This one as you can see, the USB writing USB drive successfully. That means this one it has finished to write the USB. Now your USB flash is bootable. It's bootable and ready to be used to install the Windows. This one now is coming, as you can see. It's coming. Say we wait for several minutes. It won't take long. 2 to 3 minutes like that. It will be installed in the window. The process will be completed. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more updates, so that even to support my channel. Thanks a lot. If you have any support, you can support me. If you have anything, advice, or you need to be advised, you can contact me. There's my email in the link in the description below. As you can see, my computer now is opened. As you can see now, computer is opened. As you can see, we have installed the Windows, the new operating system. This is Windows 10. After install the Windows, you have to set the computer. You have to put my computer, because it used to come like this, recycle bin and internet. This is new version of Windows 2021, Windows 10 64-bit operating system. I like 64-bit operating system because it is faster than 32 and it uses all the random access memory. Let us go to the settings to put my computer. You go to settings, you go to themes here. As you can see, we scroll down, we go to desktop icons. As you can see, then we select computer, desktop, computer, icons like computer, control panel. You can say anything you want. You can set network also if you want that. Then come here. Then the user must be up, but you can refresh. Just refresh, it will be ordered automatically. As you can see, user, this PC, recycle bin, and so many others. As you can see, you can come here to computer to see the version of the Windows you have installed. You see, this is the notifications of my device. You see, as you can see, this is Windows 10 Pro version. As you can see, this version, installed date, building number. As you can see, this is the Windows version. It's also good, very faster and effective, and it accepts all softwares. It has no issues with installation of the softwares. It's very faster, very nice Windows. Please subscribe, as I told you, like my channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.